Welcome back on this Wednesday morning. Here's what's happening. We have a disturbance up in central Canada. The cold front with it will pass through the UP tomorrow, but ahead of it we do have some warm, moist air that'll be around today. So we are also expecting some thunderstorms ahead of that today. There is a marginal level 1 risk for a few isolated strong to severe storms from Minnesota extending through northern Wisconsin into the UP today. It's minimal, but their potential exists for a few isolated ones to have some small hail as well as some stronger winds. We're not expecting widespread rain, but we could definitely have pockets of moderate to heavy rain. Here's the first little cluster of thunder showers that's working through parts of Houghton County right now. We're expecting more thunder showers to increase, and that'll also bump up the cloud cover. And if the cloud cover bumps up, that could also minimize the severe weather potential today. But in the meantime, as I mentioned, there are several little pockets of more moderate to heavy rain with this small little cluster of thunder showers moving through. Not a lot of lightning associated with this, just a couple strikes of lightning right over Elm River Township along M26, seeing some more moderate to heavy rain, and just east of that, south of Chassell as well. Here's the hour by hour, that little thunder shower fizzling out with more scattered showers developing in the central and the eastern UP, mid to late morning, extending into the afternoon. As we look towards tomorrow, kind of quiet initially, the cold front moving in with some scattered rain showers across most of the central and east, and then drier for Friday with cooler air. Rainfall amounts, mainly where those thunderstorms pass, will likely produce around ½ an inch to near an inch of rain, with some isolated higher amounts. If you're doing a little sailing with the Marquette Yacht Club, it is Wednesday, so afternoon and evening hours, not too bad. Lower 70s there. Wave heights are looking good, about a foot or less than that. Might be just a touch on the breezy side, wind flow out of the southwest. We could still be dealing with a few scattered rain showers. Temperatures inland for most areas into the lower 80s, so pleasant to get outside, go do a little bit of a hike or something like that. As I mentioned, those low 80s inland with mid to upper 70s along the shorelines of the Great Lakes. Tomorrow, similar conditions for temperatures, and then by Friday we do have some cooler air that'll be around. We're looking at generally 60s in the north for Friday afternoon, and then low to mid 70s across the southern counties of the UP. So as we look ahead towards this upcoming weekend, Saturday looks good. Sunday, the shower potential has now shifted to the evening